What's up, everybody? It's Kyle, the world's leading expert in patellar tendon ruptures, and I would add any knee injury to that, but particularly patellar tendon ruptures. In today's video, I'm showing you 3 different types of sled drags. I'll be explaining them as you see them in the video. Sled dragging is paramount for knee health, to rehab the hips. Very important, very great tool in your toolbox as far as recovering from your patellar tendon rupture. It's a great investment. If your gym doesn't have one, pick up a sled. I used to just drag mine up and down the street. So definitely something to look at, something to consider. The hips control the knees. The knees are just a dumb joint. If you have comments, leave them below. If you need help, just reach out to me. If you want the book, which has helped hundreds of people around the world recover in record time, the link is below. And it's I'll put it in this video too so you can see that. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the video. Here you see me doing VMO sled drags, backward sled drags. Excellent for building up the vastus medialis muscle, which is going to help with patellar tracking. This sled drag, you see me doing regular forward sled drags. Notice the legs are fairly straight. You want to hit the back side of the legs. This is not a quad exercise. This type of sled drag, you see me doing a lateral sled drag. Bring the top leg over. We're working different, the frontal plane range of motion. Excellent for hip strength.